Viewers, welcome to the Pyresearch channel. In this video, we will discussing about how to install Python, and we are learning about the basic Python. Python is a high level generic purpose language. You can see first of all we go to the officially welcome to the Python. You just press here the Python version. If you window Mac any Linux user, you just go to this link and just download the link and open. So you can see continue, agree, and install. So put your password, and I am not my English is not good. I will try my best. So I am trying to explore the Python today. So it's just about 1 minute. Okay, no problem. So you can see the latest version of the 3.11.1, and here's the also to you can see the your basically you what you want, and sponsorship Metaverse and Bloomberg engineer. Okay, you can also online read check it out the online Python platform. You also see the Python KPIs and public key. So the installation is done. So you can open the ideally. I am open the ideally 3.11.1. So it is there is a point other useful items. You looking the third party Python module of the menu, just like a pip install something and so on. You can view also document, also you can download link and HTML PDF format documentation information tools. You can see also read out and trip lib and demo tools. So what to be contribute, what you will be contribute. Okay, so here is a short demo of the Python installation part, and now we are going to the Python documentation. We are going to the documentation 3.11.1. You also see the what's the new in the Python 3.1. It is most probably you can also learn from the simple basic Python modules, string, data structure, module, input, output, errors and expectations, classes, and here the target of the 16 appendants. Okay, so you can check it out. I'm open my terminal here the clean. Okay, uh, I'm also going to the my open the my new terminal. Okay, I think we why we not open the ideally, why we open the terminal. Okay, we going to the ideally 3.11, just installing now in Python. Just we are targeting the variables. X is the variable equal to the integer. Y is the variable put into the integer. You also easily to uh, third party variable just like z, x plus y. You can also print. You can see the how to operate will be worked and print variables, and we are also going to the string part. Print hello users, hello users. So it is the basic introduction and installation part will be done today. I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting information updates. Keep in touch. We explore the more videos and projects daily basis. in this platform, Pyresearch. I hope you like it.